Hello dear watchers and Merry Christmas. We are Bilkent students Elif Kurtay, Umut Yurten and Melisa Taşpınar. And in this video we will be presenting our Physics 101 project. The name of our project is Elastic Collisions in Two Dimensions and Energy Conservation and Motion on the Surface of the Earth. Our objective in this experiment is to test and observe the conservation of momentum and conservation of kinetic energy in a two-dimensional elastic collision, and to test and examine conservation of energy in motion around the surface of the Earth. Our experiment setup consists of a wooden board, wooden sticks, two marbles, carbon and white paper, ruler, glue pads, and pencil. We use the wooden board as a ramp and use the wooden sticks as a tunnel on this ramp, ensuring the marbles to move in a straight line. The glue pads are used to fix the positions of the board and the sticks. A4 white papers are placed on the ground where the marbles are expected to fall. Carbon papers are put on white papers to mark the point of impact of marbles on the ground. After the experiment is conducted, a ruler would be used to measure the distances to marks of marbles to deduce the range of marbles fall, and their velocities will be directly proportional to the horizontal ranges we calculated. Our experiment consists of two parts. In part A, we observed conservation of momentum and kinetic energy in two-dimensional elastic collisions. We used two marbles. We dropped one marble from a specific height, in our case 0.3 meters. And once they collided and fell down, their velocities should be perpendicular to each other. This can be calculated by getting the Pythagoras' theorem from conservation of momentum and kinetic energy together. Also, if we dropped only one marble from the same height, that velocity should give the vector addition of the first two velocities. So overall, these three vectors should form a right closed triangle. In part B, we examined the conservation of mechanical energy on motion around the surface of the Earth, and we dropped marbles from gradually increasing heights with the same interval. And if you write down the law of conservation of energy, you'll see that h, the height, and the square root of velocity v squared should be proportional to each other from conservation of momentum, and the mass of the object never actually has an effect of either of those things.